Something nice for your perennial shrubby woodland border. I am here with an unusual ceanothus. At least I don't see too many of them in Southern California. This is red-stemmed ceanothus. It's different than the other one or other ones. There's quite a few varieties that we have. This is deciduous. It has kind of reddish stems to it. We'll get more close-ups. And these beautiful little umbels. This is a beautiful plant for part shade that has a grace to it because of the soft leaf with the nice standout veins in between, and the sprinkling of umbels and the red stems. So I think this should be used a little bit more. It's pretty easy. It's low water. Probably something better for supplemental. I think this grows abundantly way up further in the west coast where it gets more rain and it's not dry like our climate is here. So red stem ceanothus, something nice for your perennial shrubby woodland border, native under the trees, morning sun, part sun, not shade all the time, but some sun. Beautiful little white flowers. And there's a bee. Something for the insects too. Hi, thanks for joining me. If you found this video interesting or informative, or you think that other people might, please give me the thumbs up or subscribe on my YouTube channel. That way I'll know, and other people will know, that this is a good thing. There's a lot of treasures to explore out there, and it's fun to share them. I am here, oops, my finger, in the California cultivar garden section. This could be a whole study class just in itself. I'm here with the beautiful, seldom used, red-stemmed Ceanothus. And this literally is a strawberry field. There's blue-eyed grass. I'm gonna see how many plants that I can rattle off quickly. This is such a beautiful area. So our red stem Ceanothus is blooming with its nice little white umbels. This is a cultivar of strawberry down here, making a beautiful ground cover. We've got mahogany stemmed manzanita, Fremontodendron, got a cottonwood here, and native purple 3-on. This hasn't quite come out fully. We've got Douglas iris. And this is a surprise. Until I look closely, I didn't notice. This is a little, I think this is Rosa. I'm trying to remember the name on this. Have a look at Minutifolia. Very, 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 very tiny foliage. Beautiful light pink flower. Teeny tiny little kind of needles and very ferny, kind of fern-like foliage here. That's something fun. This Juncus bulrush, this is a catch basin for overflow, so this is a bile swale. And this beautifully designed pond with a fountain going into it under this gazebo.